Hare Krishna, this is Tukaram Das. I am serving as the Vice President of ISKCON Bhubaneswar, and it has come to our notice that on 21st March, people are coming, all the Go Rakshaks are coming together for saving Go Mata at Lower PMG Square. So I request all of you to kindly join this very important movement. As you all know, Lord is very fond of cows. Namo Brahmana Devaya, Go Brahmana Hitaya Cha, Jagat Hitaya Krishnaya, Govindaya Namo Nama. So if we are really the devotees of the Lord, we must do something for the cows. And as we all know, that the situation of cows are precarious in all of India. India being the land of Dharma, but the cows are being killed brutally and brutally, and the cruelty is prevailing, and because of killing of cows, the entire Sanatan Dharma is endangered. So therefore, I request all of you, save the date, 21st March, kindly come forward, kindly come out of your house, kindly come and let us all assemble at Lower PMG and request the government that they should pass this bill that will protect Go Mata. Jai Go Mata, Hare Krishna, Jai Jagannath.